Okay, so welcome to the second assignment, which will be the one for Friday, the 28th of March. Friday, the 27th of March. So for this assignment, what I want you to do is I want you to design a coronavirus poster. Poster should be A4 in size and should contain graphics, colors, text. The point of the assignment is really to use skills that you have practiced in class to produce something meaningful, and at the moment I don't think you can get any more meaningful than that. What I want from the poster is that it displays either the signs and symptoms of coronavirus, what to do if you think you have coronavirus, or how you can avoid it. You can put all three elements into the one poster or decide to pick one of those three elements and focus on it. It should be colourful, it should be eye-grabbing. You can take information from any reputable source online and copy it across. However, if you do take information from somewhere else, I will want it referenced, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so let's say I'm using Online Word. Again, I've logged in. I go in and I create a new document. Okay, so you have a choice. You can use templates. However, just be careful. The templates that are online can be harder to use than the ones that are on the actual normal program of Word that we use in the center. So for now, I'm going to create a blank document. And then I'm going to go and look for some information on the coronavirus. So I'll go over to, let me move the screen up a bit. So I'm going to go over to Google. I'm going to type in symptoms, there you go, of coronavirus. Now just be careful that you do use reputable sources. Okay, so I'm going to look down this. The HSE website would be very good. The Guardian will be fine. So I'm going to use the HSE website for the moment. Okay, and I'm going to go to symptoms. But again, please feel free to use any ones that you like. There's symptoms of coronavirus. So if I want to take this straight across, okay, simply select the way you would normally select, okay. Control C on your keyboard, come back up and over to your document, and Control V on your keyboard, okay, and that copies it straight across. When you have copied it across, if you want to change the text colors or fonts, or simply select and select and change as you normally would. Okay, so I might want to use, I don't know, Arial black maybe to stand out, and I might want to use red. Okay, so as I said, I want there to be colors and text and pictures. Okay, so if I want to insert a picture, then again I go back to my insert menu, go to Bing and select coronavirus like we did last week. Okay, select that one and insert. Again, when I insert a picture, okay, I'll have my picture toolbar, which will give me all my different options. So if I want to have different frames on it, okay, I want to wrap my text. If I want to be able to wrap my text around it, okay, you're going to have in line with text, okay. Again, you can crop and rotate. Any of the facilities that we normally would use are there under picture. Okay, so you're going to give this, as I said, you can put as much color, as much information as you want, or you can keep the information quite simple and easy to follow. So just be careful. When I brought across my signs and symptoms, which I seem to have lost again, so I'll bring them across again. So when I brought across my signs and symptoms, I've now taken something directly from another website, so I need to be able to reference that. So to reference it, what I want you to do is to insert a page break. Okay, and on a separate sheet, so the next page, by creating a page break, you are going to copy across the website that you've used. So simply click on it, again, Control C, go back to your document and Control V. Okay, and they are my references. Okay, because it's not my own work, I've used. So you're just going to list your references there. Okay, again, make sure that you name your document. Okay, so now I have it named. Okay, just say that this is my completed work. I hope yours will be a little bit more colourful than this. Okay, again, I can shut down this screen because it just has Louise Gilligan. So I shut that down. Okay, I come all the way back to here where I have my LG, which means I can log out from the screen. Okay, and I will go to my OneDrive, which that poster should be in. Scroll down, there's my COVID-19 poster. If I want to share that, simply select it and go share. And type in my email address. My internet is going very slow tonight, so when you click share, you will get an option to put in my email address. Simply put in my email address and press share there. Okay. Or if you are using normal Word and you've saved it to your desktop, again, you go to Outlook, create an email, and make sure that you attach the poster. So you go to attach, browse this computer, select desktop, and select your poster. Okay. Any problems, email me, lgilligan@lmetb.ie. Okay, stay safe everyone. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.